Sleep better after 60. The drink that replaces your bedtime water. If you're over 60 and find yourself waking up again and again in the middle of the night, you're not alone. You go to bed tired, drift off for a while, and then suddenly it's 2 a.m. and your eyes pop open. No matter how long you toss and turn, real sleep just won't come back. Most people think a glass of water before bed is a healthy choice. It seems natural, right? Water is good for you, so why wouldn't it help you sleep? But what if that innocent bedtime habit is actually part of the problem? Stay tuned, because in this video we will reveal the best drink that will keep you awake at night. But before that, subscribe and follow us for more amazing tips for seniors. Let's begin. Why plain water keeps you awake after 60. Water is vital for life, yes. But at night, your body doesn't just need hydration. It needs calm. Plain water cools your body too quickly and can trigger your bladder, especially as we age. That urge to use the bathroom around 2 or 3 a.m. It's often caused by drinking plain water too close to bedtime. Your body is sending you signals, but those signals are interrupting your sleep. As we get older, our bodies change in ways we don't always notice. After age 60, your body makes less melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain it's time to sleep. Your body also holds on to less water during the night. This means even small amounts of liquid can signal your bladder to wake you up at the worst possible moment. When you wake up during deep sleep, your body loses its chance to repair muscles, refresh your brain, and balance hormones. Over time, this leads to tired mornings, weaker muscles, and lower energy. You end up feeling like you never really rested at all. But what if instead of plain water, you could drink something that helps your body relax, stay asleep, and wake up feeling lighter and more refreshed? What if that drink could actually support your health while you sleep? The nutrients your body needs for deep sleep. To sleep deeply, your body needs certain nutrients that water alone doesn't provide. These aren't exotic or hard to find. They're simple compounds that nature gives us in common foods. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for sleep. It helps your muscles relax and release tension. When your muscles are tight at night, your body stays alert and ready to move, which keeps you from falling into deep sleep. Magnesium naturally calms this response. Glycine is an amino acid that calms your mind and lowers your body temperature just enough for sleep. Your body temperature naturally drops when you fall asleep, and glycine helps this process happen smoothly. Tryptophan is another amino acid that helps your brain make serotonin and melatonin, your natural sleep hormones. Without enough tryptophan, your brain can't produce the chemicals it needs to tell your body it's time to rest. There are also two powerful but often overlooked helpers. L-theanine eases anxiety and promotes calmness without making you drowsy during the day. It's gentle and works with your body's natural rhythms. Melatonin helps reset your body clock, so you can fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. After 60, your body makes less of it naturally, so a small boost can make a real difference. When you combine these nutrients into a warm, soothing drink, you help your body do exactly what it's meant to do: rest deeply and repair itself overnight. What happens when you keep waking up at night? If you wake up several times each night, it's not just about lost sleep. It's about what your body misses while you're awake. Deep sleep is when your brain clears waste, repairs tissue, balances hormones, and strengthens memory. It's also when your muscles and bones rebuild themselves. But every time you wake up, that repair process stops halfway. Your body has to start all over again when you finally fall back asleep. Over time, this pattern of interrupted sleep can lead to slower memory and focus. You might notice it harder to find words or remember appointments. Your muscles and joints weaken and you feel less strong. Many people experience mood changes or even mild depression. The risk of imbalance or falls increases, which is dangerous at any age, but especially concerning after 60. Interrupted sleep also confuses your body clock, raises your blood pressure, and makes it harder to control your appetite and weight. You might find yourself hungry at odd times or craving unhealthy foods. Your body is stressed because it's not getting the rest it needs. So if you've been waking up tired or groggy every morning, your problem might not be how long you sleep, but how often you wake up during the night. Understanding your sleep cycle and the 2 a.m. wake up Sleep comes in cycles, each lasting about 90 minutes. You move from light sleep to deep sleep to dreaming, and then it repeats. This cycle is your body's natural rhythm, and it happens whether you're aware of it or not. In deep sleep, your body does its best healing. Your muscles repair, your bones strengthen, and your immune system resets. In REM sleep, the dreaming stage, your brain sorts memories and emotions, processing the day's experiences and consolidating what you've learned. But here's the tricky part. Around 2 a.m., you're usually shifting between those two stages. Your body is lighter in sleep, more sensitive to sound, movement, or that full bladder signal. That's why many people wake up at the same time every night. Not by accident, but because of this natural transition point in your sleep cycle. Knowing this gives you power, because a few simple changes to your nighttime drink and bedtime habits can help you pass through that stage smoothly without waking up. Instead of waking and struggling to fall back asleep, you can drift through that vulnerable time and emerge into the next deep sleep cycle ready to rest. Simple tips to stay asleep all night. The key to better sleep isn't complicated. It starts with small, manageable changes you can make tonight. Stop drinking plain water right before bed. Instead, sip something warm and gentle about an hour before you sleep. This timing is crucial. Warm drinks relax your body, and drinking it an hour early gives your body time to process it without triggering your bladder when you're trying to sleep. Keep your room cool and dark. Even a little light or noise can wake your brain during REM sleep. Your brain is designed to be sensitive to these things as a protection mechanism, so removing them helps your sleep continue uninterrupted. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends. It trains your internal clock and helps your body expect rest at the right time. Your body loves predictability, and this consistency makes falling asleep easier and staying asleep more natural. When you pair these habits with the right bedtime drink, you'll fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed. The combination is more powerful than any single change alone. The best bedtime drinks for people over 60. Plain water isn't always the best choice before bed. But what should you drink instead? Warm milk with natural sleep boosters. Warm milk has been a classic bedtime drink for generations, and for good reason. It's rich in tryptophan, the amino acid your body turns into melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep naturally. Your grandparents knew something real when they recommended warm milk at bedtime. You can make it even more powerful by adding simple ingredients. A pinch of turmeric eases inflammation in the body. Nutmeg relaxes the nerves. Honey gives your brain a gentle dose of glucose that helps you drift into sleep peacefully. Together, these create a drink that's both comforting and genuinely helpful for your sleep. If you've been waking up around 2 or 3 a.m., this simple golden milk might calm your body enough to help you sleep straight through till morning. Banana peel tea, nature's magnesium drink. Don't throw those banana peels away. Boiling the peel of one ripe banana in a cup of water makes a natural magnesium-rich tea. Magnesium helps your muscles loosen up and prevents night cramps, a common issue for older adults that can jolt you awake in pain. The peel also contains potassium and tryptophan, which work together to steady your heart rhythm and calm your nervous system. Just strain the tea, add a touch of cinnamon or honey if you like, and sip it warm about an hour before bed. It may sound odd, but people who try banana peel tea often say they sleep like a baby after just a few nights. Chamomile tea, the ancient sleep flower. Chamomile is one of the most studied natural sleep aids in the world. It contains apigenin, a compound that binds to the same receptors in your brain as some mild anti-anxiety medicines, but without any side effects or morning grogginess. A cup of chamomile tea can reduce stress, slow your heart rate, and help your body prepare for deep rest. To make it stronger, steep it for 10 minutes instead of 5, and avoid mixing it with caffeine or sugar. If your mind keeps racing at night or you find it hard to switch off, chamomile might be your gentle off button, a way to tell your busy mind it's time to rest. Tart cherry juice, a natural melatonin source. Tart cherries are one of the few foods that naturally contain melatonin. Drinking half a cup of unsweetened tart cherry juice about an hour before bed can boost your melatonin levels naturally without any synthetic supplements. It also provides antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the joints and muscles, a hidden cause of nighttime restlessness. When your joints ache, your body stays alert. When they're calm, sleep comes easier. To balance its sour taste, mix it with a little warm water or blend it with a spoon of yogurt. People who add tart cherry juice to their bedtime routine often report longer, deeper sleep within a week. No pills needed. Protein Sleep Smoothie. Rebuild as you rest. This drink is perfect for people over 60 who want to stay strong while improving their sleep. Blend half a banana, a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of collagen or plant protein, a dash of maca root, and some warm almond milk. This mix gives your body amino acids to rebuild muscle while you sleep, plus magnesium and natural melatonin to calm your nerves. It's filling, gentle on the stomach, and helps you wake up with steady energy instead of morning fatigue. Think of it as your night repair drink. While you sleep, your body restores strength in you from the inside out. How to use these drinks wisely. No matter which drink you choose, timing is key. Sip it 60 to 90 minutes before bed, not right before lying down. This gives your body time to digest and absorb the calming nutrients without triggering your bladder later. As you drink, keep your lights dim and turn off screens. Take a few deep breaths while you sip. This signals your brain that it's time to wind down. Your brain responds to these cues and starts preparing your body for sleep naturally. If you stay consistent, within a week you'll notice your sleep lasting longer, your mornings feeling lighter, and your energy staying steady all day. Consistency matters more than perfection. Even trying 3 or 4 nights a week can show you real improvement. The path forward. You don't need complicated routines or heavy medication to sleep through the night. Sometimes, nature already has the answers in a warm cup right before bed. Deep, peaceful sleep isn't just for the young. It's for anyone who gives their body what it truly needs to rest. Your body wants to sleep well. It wants to repair itself and restore your strength. All you're doing by switching from plain water to a nourishing bedtime drink is helping your body do what it naturally wants to do. So tonight, skip the plain water. Try one of these gentle drinks instead. Notice how you feel tomorrow morning. Give a few nights and pay attention to how your sleep improves. Your body will thank you, and you'll rediscover what truly restful sleep feels like.